a tutorial, hopefully tomorrow morning, if I can get this all figured out right, on the new L'Oreal Hip Duos. I have Charming on, and I wore it today, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. So that's usually what I try and do for you guys, is just like what I would wear. I wear a lot of makeup, but what I would wear on a daily basis, the people that compliment it the most and everything, those are the looks that I try and do for you guys, or your requests. I tried really hard to keep up with any comments or questions that I got. I hopefully got to yours and answered it. If not, feel free to hit me up with it again. I am a fountain of knowledge, and I'm at your disposal. So anyway, I just wanted to let everybody know that I was back, and I will be doing a tutorial hopefully tomorrow, cross your fingers, on this look that I have on now. And I hope everybody had a really great holiday, and the new year is just going to be fabulous for everybody. So anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. I love you. Bye.